twice as nice. We first remodeled this house in 2017 for a military couple who planned to stay only for a couple years. The original kitchen had golden oak cabinets with Corian countertops and a little used desk. They wanted a modern kitchen for cooking and entertaining, plus a pantry inspired by house. We used dark alder wood cabinets, quartz countertops, and a simple glass subway tile. The desk space became a wine bar. Specialized storage included a trash drawer and Lazy Susan and many drawers. In 2020, the new owners, planning to stay for up to 10 years, wanted some changes, including removing a wall just left of the kitchen sink. We replaced a countertop section and added new upper cabinets matching the previous ones. We updated the fireplace, adding a live edge mantle, and added a doggy door for their two Great Danes. We removed 3 windows in the living room, installing a very large sliding glass door, and added faux ceiling beams. The entryway and dining area had many arches and posts. We removed all of them, opening up and simplifying the space and installing new French doors into the home office. Visit lentoncompany.com for more information.